When it comes to construction management software, Jonas Premier is one of the options you might come across. But before making your decision, there are some key things you should know to see if it's the right fit for your needs. We'll also compare it to other software in the space so you get the full picture. Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before buying Jonas Premier. First thing to know, Jonas Premier is a cloud-based construction management software designed for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers an all-in-one solution for managing everything from estimating and budgeting to project management and accounting. It's a solid choice. But how does it compare to others like Buildertrend or Procore? Well, those two have a more comprehensive approach, but Jonas Premier is strong on accounting and financial management. Next thing to consider, Jonas Premier provides a user-friendly interface, making it easier for your team to navigate. While Buildertrend also excels in user interface, Jonas Premier leans more toward financial integration, which can be a huge plus if you need detailed financial insights and tracking. The third thing is its project management tools. While Jonas Premier does offer strong tools for scheduling, communication, and reporting, it doesn't have the same level of customization or mobile features that Procore offers. So, if mobile access is a must for your team, you might want to weigh that against what Jonas Premier offers. Fourth thing, it integrates well with other software. Jonas Premier works with popular programs like Microsoft Excel and QuickBooks, which can be very useful if you already rely on those for your business operations. While competitors like CoConstruct offer more built-in tools, this integration flexibility is a plus for Jonas Premier. Next thing to know is pricing. Jonas Premier isn't the cheapest option on the market, especially when compared to simpler solutions like Buildertrend. However, it offers strong value for those who prioritize financial management and integration. If your business is growing and you need more advanced features, the cost may be justified. The sixth point, customer support is a key strength. Jonas Premier offers live support, training, and resources for onboarding. However, some users have reported that response times could be quicker compared to competitors like Procore, who have an extensive support network. Seventh thing, reporting and analytics. Jonas Premier stands out for its robust financial reporting and analytics, which can provide deep insights into your projects and budgets. However, when compared to software like Procore, Jonas Premier lacks some advanced project-specific reporting tools that others offer. Next thing, collaboration features. Jonas Premier provides a solid platform for team collaboration, but it's not as advanced as some of its competitors, like Buildertrend or Procore. If you're looking for real-time collaboration with your entire team, you might find these alternatives better equipped. The ninth point, customization options. Jonas Premier offers a fair amount of customization, but it's not as flexible as Procore, which allows you to tailor the software to fit almost any construction need. This could be a downside if your projects require a high level of customization. Next thing to know, security. As a cloud-based solution, Jonas Premier takes security seriously, using encrypted data storage. While it's generally on par with the industry, some competitors offer additional layers of protection, so it's worth considering if data security is your top priority. The 11th thing, mobile app. While Jonas Premier does offer mobile access, it doesn't have the same level of functionality or user-friendly interface that Buildertrend does. If your team is often on the go and needs a fully functional mobile app, this might be a limitation for you. Finally, Jonas Premier offers a 30-day free trial, so you can get a hands-on feel for the software before committing. This is a great way to test its capabilities and see if it fits your business needs. In conclusion, Jonas Premier is a solid construction management software option with strong accounting and financial management features. It's a good fit for businesses looking for financial integration and robust reporting. However, if you're looking for more customization, better mobile features, or advanced collaboration tools, you might want to check out other options. If you want a better solution that's easy to try, check out our recommended option. You can try it for free and see how it compares.